Okay, so we just, the girls are outside. They are not happy about it. So fellas, yeah, that's you. Yeah, I know, he's not happy. No, Dudley. I know, look, you gotta come in here, I know. You wanna go with you? With Anna, hang on in here. Okay, wait a minute. We need some order, hold on.
Okay.
Okay, very good. Good start.
Dudley.
Okay.
Higgins.
Okay.
Stanley. Dudley. Higgins.
I saw Laura today.
Grabby.
Mary Jane's Laura's afraid that Higgins is going to swallow the fork.
Well,
So hold on tight.
Okay. Stanley.
Okay, Higgins.
Wait your turn.
All right,
Dudley.
everybody's doing really well. Everybody's
Higgins.
doing very well.
Stanley.
Yes, very good. Maybe Yana's been working with them a little bit.
Stanley.
Stanley was over on Friday. Maybe Yana
Dudley.
talked him up a little bit.
Higgins.
All right, guys. You guys are doing very, very well.
Stanley.
Very well with those tails.
Dudley.
Look at those tails. Okay.
Higgins.
I know.
Stanley. Dudley.
I don't even know their tails are wagging.
Higgins. Stanley. Oh, I'm sorry.
That was Dudley,
that was
but that's
Dudley.
okay.
I'm sorry, got it
It's
mixed
okay.
up. All right, Stanley.
Okay, guys, we're getting close to the end
Dudley.
already. All right.
Higgins. All right, guys.
Okay,
Stanley.
girls are outside.
Dudley.
Higgins.
Higgins.
Okay, this is
Last
it,
time,
guys. The last
Stanley.
round. This is the very
Dudley.
last round.
Higgins.
Oh, now he's doing the hokey pokey. Wait, whoa. Honey, you turned around at the wrong time. Oh, no. Oh, my goodness.
No.
That's what it's all about. You put your whole self out, Higgins. You put your whole self out.
That was not.
He didn't
not
get
a-
it, Mom.
What?
He needs a piece. Higgins didn't get his last piece. Oh, I know. Look how wounded he is. He's wounded. There we go. All right.
Stole it from the girls.
That's all. Yeah, don't tell Yana.
Y'all were not. It was not a good ending.
It was not. You were so good. I know. You fumbled on the goal line, buddy.
Dudley, you're getting. Are we ready,
Okay.
ladies?
She was voicing her objection.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, I know.
Yana, stay down. Josie. Yana. Good girl.
All right.
Josie.
All right, ladies.
Yana. Josie. Yana.
The fellas did better,
Josie.
so you must be given some classes.
Yana. Okay, little girl.
Okay, baby. Just chew
Chew,
before you
Yana.
swallow. Chew before you swallow. Don't be a
Josie.
Higgins. Don't be like Higgins.
Yana. Josie.
Okay, baby. You all right?
Yana.
There you go.
Josie. Yana. Josie.
Girls are so tranquil. You're so good. You're
Yana.
so good. You're
Josie.
so good.
Yana. Josie.
Here's Higgins.
Yana. Josie.
Oh, there's an odd number, almost half and one, because of the.
Yana. Josie. Yana. And Josie. That's all, ladies.
Very good.
All is
Very
all.
good. Very good.
Very good. Thank you.
Thank you, ladies. Thank you, ladies. All right. You go have a snack? You have a drink? You go get a drink? Good girl. That's all. That's all. Go ahead. Oh, my word. Party on. That's as far as she can go.